Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an important call through your Gmail app, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn on call ringing in the Gmail app, so you'll always get an audible alert when someone tries to reach you. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to receive call notifications. Next, look for the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon, usually found at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the side menu. Now, scroll down through the options until you see Settings. Go ahead and tap on Settings to open your account preferences. You'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to Gmail. Tap on the specific email account where you want to enable call ringing. Once you're in your account settings, look for the call ringing option. There should be a checkbox right next to it. Make sure to check this box. This step is crucial. It tells Gmail to ring your device whenever you receive a call, so you'll hear it loud and clear. And that's it. With call ringing enabled, your phone will now alert you every time there's an incoming call through Gmail. No more missed connections or silent notifications. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and uncheck the call ringing box. Thanks for watching.